Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then Allow in the other one. Finally, select Browse after clicking on Got It in Find Storage Tips here pop-up. Browse is located at the bottom in the middle. Last but not least, just tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!